first eye look is inspired by Topshop. I'm starting off by creating a canvas and contouring my eye. Now I have pretty flat eyes, so this just adds a lot of dimension. Next, I'm using the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie lip gloss that has glitter inside to create an adhesive as well as some gloss and shine on my lash line as well as my lid and outer corner. Then I packed on some loose pigment from MAC to finish off the eye look. The second makeup look is inspired by Self-Portrait. I didn't have yellow eyeshadow, so I went ahead and took some bronzer to bronze up my eyelid. Next, I'm taking some blush and took it on my finger to create that bright pink inner corner. And I just rubbed that all the way to the half point of my eyelid, but above the lid section and more towards the brow bone. I will say that this was the hardest out of the 3 makeup looks that I did, but I think it turned out okay. This last makeup look was inspired by Tom Ford. I thought this makeup look wasn't too difficult because I normally wear winged liner, but for those of you who are not comfortable wearing winged liner, this could be a little bit more difficult. The trick with this look is to create a really thick, almost full lid space sized wing liner, if that makes sense. And then just rounding out the edges was a little bit tough. I used a makeup wipe to really clean out the edges and to make it look very sharp because I just felt like my gel liner and brush was not doing the trick. So I did use a makeup wipe and cheat a little bit, but it really came out clean and sharp after using it when I rounded it out. And the last step was to just shadow your lower lash line with some bronzer and then add mascara.